What?
Go away.
Go away? Why you want me to go away? Where's your eye?
Eye.
Good job. And your nose?
A nose.
Your mouth?
A nose.
Your ear?
A ear.
Your hair?
A head.
Your head?
A head.
That's your forehead.
Your hand? Your hand?
Head.
On your feet?
A feet.
Your huevos?
A purple.
Okay. How old are you?
Hi.
You're 2?
A two.
Who's she?
She.
No, what's her name?
A man.
What's her name?
A man.
Who's Dominique?
David.
Okay. Who's Taya?
Daya.
Where's mommy?
A mommy.
Good job, Bobby.
Where's Christmas? Around the corner.
Sure.